Hello everybody and welcome to the White Fella tier list. These white fellas will be ranked from rank F all the way to rank GOAT. Kicking it off, Bezos, need I say more? Next, Zuckerberg, okay lizard man. Following that, Mr. Tesla, owner of X videos. Tom Brady, Mr. Jason, not Johnny Sins, this is my English teacher from high school. Nikocado, was an S, but way too much he fell through the ranking. Quincy. I fucking hate Quincy. Family man. F for family. Now starting off the D tier. Black MJ. He would be higher if he was on white mode. Marky Poo. Slim Shady. D for where is dad's spaghetti. Queen. D for dead. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Down here because I can't say his name without swearing. Caillou. He got a big ass dome for a head. Kicking off the C tier. Guy Fieri. Definition of mid. Vsauce man. Fell off hard. Danny DeVito. C for Gremlin. Walter White. Even his freaking last name is White. Peter Griffin. The horse is here. George Bush. George, how bushy is he? Mr. Breast, creator of Squid Game. JFK, best president ever made as he fought against zombies. Kicking off the B tier. Joe Biden. Soda! Washington, the first of many fumbles. Bill Nye, bless this man with head. Adam Sandler, creator of Click. Kevin James, mall cop sweep. To begin the A tier, Heisenberg. Following that, Trump, my favorite pussy grabber. PewDiePie, what a fucking nick. Dark Brandon, after making his first public appearance, I don't have to say more. John Cena, Black Jack. To kick off the S tier, Abraham Lincoln, my boy made slaves free. He a real one. Next, Sporticus. S for Sporticus. Johnny Sins. Homeboy has been everywhere. He's an astronaut, doctor, chef, you name it. Who's math teacher that let us set up a smash club in high school in his room. Gibby. And finally, the GOAT, the greatest white of all time. My main man Josh. My man.